Why is this art? You want everything to always make sense. And if you saw something that does not make sense to you, you'd consider it unintelligent, wouldn't you? Historically, the line had purpose. Even now, you need the line to mean something. You want a drawing to always say something, and you want a painting to represent something. But fortunately, everyone does not speak the same language. So just because you did not understand something does not mean someone isn't saying something. Appreciating this work by Jackson Pollock is like having an aesthetic software update. I'll try explaining. Abstract, accident, expressionist, spontaneous, angry, improvised, entropy, performative, uncultured, subconscious, radical, and meaningless are some of the few words that are attributed to Jackson Pollock's artworks. This is a document of a performance, and I'm really sorry, but just maybe that's all this is. Trying to find meaning in this work says more about you than the painting itself. Your human brain is literally being challenged. It refuses to accept that an artwork can also be a question, or even just a feeling. Maybe you were so used to being shown images that mean something that when you were confronted by something that has no meaning, it just did not make sense. And that is why this work challenges so many people on so many levels. This painting is a gesture. It is, again, a document of a consciously produced human performance. And to be human is to be abstract, accidental, expressionistic, spontaneous, free, angry, improvised, performative, uncultured, subconscious, radical, entropic, and sometimes, admittedly, even meaningless. Can you think of any other artwork that so beautifully represents us, whose mere existence challenges your current concepts of art? I think that this work is poetry written in a language that you don't understand yet. Jackson Pollock died at the age of 44 in a car accident. He was drunk. Just saying. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.